Hello everyone. Looking for a budget-friendly eSIM for your travels? In this video, I'll review Esim4Travel, a service offering global eSIM plans at competitive price. Let's see if it is worth it. So let me quickly show you Trustpilot ratings. So Esim4Travel has a Trustpilot rating of 4.1 stars out of 5 based on 65 reviews. Now, many users praise its affordability and customer support. So let's check out some reviews here. So you can see someone says that one of the best guy who assisted me all the way. Actually, this guy is talking about customer support. And one reviewer mentioned switching from Airalo due to eSIM for travel's lower prices, especially for countries like Belarus. As you can see the prices here on their homepage, and another praised their prompt customer support as well. So in terms of pricing, so here's a quick look. The the service offers plans starting at just zero point 0.9, actually zero point 0.8 in Europe dollar, making it one of the most affordable eSIM providers. Prices vary by country, as you can see. So here are some few options to consider. For example, data in the USA starts at $2.3 per GB, and while in Turkey it's even cheaper, and Japan is 1.67, in Canada it's $1.8, and more. So in Europe it's fairly cheaper than USA. Anyway, so another major advantage of eSIM for travel is their 24/7 customer support. So users report quick responses and clear set of instructions. And if you need help installing your SIM, their support team is ready to assist. Also, they have a quick uh, a user-friendly app, which and you can also find the installation guide on their website. And if you want anything related to eSIM support, you can find this here. So this is how you can install. For example, if I show it on iOS, they also have a neat PDF where you can see how to install. All right. So just follow along the steps and you'll be on your way to installing your eSIM for travel. Now, there are some downsides as well, like any other service. A few users reported initial activation issues, which is very common in this eSIM niche, but they were quickly resolved by customer support. Anyway, so and I've also seen some good opinion on this SIM on popular forums like Reddit and Quora. So overall, eSIM for travel offers affordable, reliable eSIM plans with excellent customer support. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, it's worth considering. And that's all for this review, and I'll see you in the next video.